Think of the main window as divided into two parts. Use the left side for high-level navigation, i.e. project and plan. Use the right side for finer details, i.e. image sphericals. Other parts of the screen can be switched on and off as required from the View and Window group. You can open multiple spherical images to get different viewpoints of the same location. Right-click on the spherical and click View in New Window. The other spherical will open in a new tab. This will then allow the option to switch between them. To toggle the currently selected asset to full screen and back, press F11. To view the spherical image in a separate window, click and drag the tab. It can now also be viewed on a separate screen. To see the spherical image in a wider view, change the split of the screen from View and Split. Click the Plan tab to show the plan in the top window. Depending on which type of asset you click on, this is how it will open. When dragging around windows to change the layout, a Windows location icon appears. Drop the window over one of the arrows. To determine where the window will be placed. When the original layout has been changed a lot, it can be reset to the default view from View, Default Layout. To preview an image before opening it, hover the mouse over the spherical icon. This option can also be turned off if needed from View, Tooltips. When navigating between different levels, it is important to make sure the correct plan is still in view. To ensure this happens, click the Plan hotspot before the spherical. The field of view indicator on the plan confirms the correct plan is in view. If you go off plan, you will know as there is no field of view indicator. To go back on plan, from the Properties window, in the Locations option, click the Plan asset. The view is now back on plan. To share a direct link to an asset within R2S, click Create URL Link from the toolbar. This link can now be inserted into an email as shown. When the recipient opens a hyperlink, R2S will start and navigate automatically to the linked asset. Only someone with a valid R2S account with the correct permissions and the software installed can open the link. To share details with someone who doesn't have access to R2S, take a screenshot. Right-click and save the screenshot to the clipboard. Or save it to a file.